Hey Lash lovers! Today I wanted to show you how I did my own lash lift at home. Lash lift kits are used to curl your eyelashes and give them a longer, fuller appearance. A good kit will typically have everything you need to get started. I ordered ISL Lash Lift Kit from Amazon. This kit was only $22 Canadian, which I found was a very inexpensive option. Let's take a look inside and see what's included. On the outside of the box, they included their upgraded self-adhesive lift pads. It's a beautiful teal blue slide-out box, and on the back is a clear direction for use and safety precautions. Inside of the box, you'll find the instruction manual in multiple languages, also a card with additional tips and tricks for better results, and a list of frequently asked questions. Now let's look at each item one by one. Here's the false lash glue, which washes off very easily with water. Perm solution, which is a thioglycolic acid-based lotion, which softens the hair. Then the fixation lotion, which helps lock in the curl. The nutrition, which includes collagen to help bring the nourishment back to the hair. And the cleanser, which you can use to clean before and after the procedure. This blue plastic applicator wand includes a pick and a built-in Y comb. And in this box includes a few shields in a variety of sizes. And this is great because it can accommodate a wide range of eyelash lengths. And inside this box includes extra Y combs, and these are super useful with a flat side and a comb on the other. I use these often at my studio for my own clients. And finally, in this box includes some under eye patches and some disposable brushes. Includes mascara brush and a doe foot. There was also a skin barrier cream hiding inside. I found everything that I would need to do a lift, except for the tint in this kit. But I'm so excited to get started. Starting with a clean face, I applied the barrier cream along the under eye. You might also be able to tell from this video that one side is already lifted. I did the first eye following the directions, and I had great results. But I wanted to show you some modifications on the eye I'm about to show you. I'm applying the upgraded self-adhesive lift pads on this eye. And this was great because the traditional shields were not staying on my eyelids. I'm applying the false lash glue directly on the shields. The key here is to wait a few seconds before starting to laminate the natural lashes onto the shield. I'm going to be using a combination of the doe foot and the Y combs for the lamination. Thanks to my Asian heritage, I have very thick and straight lashes that point straight down, so I had a lot of trouble getting my lashes to stick to the shields. It could be a combination of my thick hairs or the lash glue not being sticky enough. I had to apply extra lash adhesive on the doe foot to help me with the lamination. Finally making some progress here. I take the Y comb and with the teeth I comb through the lashes to make sure they are all pointing in the same direction. Now I take the blue applicator and with the pick I scoop out the perm solution and carefully apply it on the base of my lash line. Get as close to the base as possible without getting it into the hair follicles. And apply the perm solution up to 2/3 of the natural lashes. You always want to keep your eyes closed during this entire process, but honestly, it's impossible to do a good lift at home without keeping your eyes opened. So here's where I changed the process a little bit. Usually you will be keeping the solution on for 10 to 12 minutes straight, but I decided to do this in 2 sessions, so 5 minutes, then 5 minutes. The reason why I did it this way is because I had so much trouble laminating my eyelashes onto the shields, and to have perfect results, the lamination needs to be on point. And by softening the natural lashes with the first 5 minutes, it's going to make it easier for me to laminate. After washing off the perm and drying my eye area, I reapply the shield and start the lamination process over again. You may not need to do this if your eyelashes are soft and thin. I might recommend this method for clients with coarse and straight eyelashes like me. I apply a generous amount of lash glue and start laminating my eyelashes using a doe foot. It was a little bit easier compared to the first pass, but I still wish this adhesive was a little bit stronger. Here I'm reapplying the perm lotion and waiting for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I take a clean doe foot and remove any extra perm lotion from the eyelashes and the shields. The lashes take shape of the shield, so they need to be glued against the rods during the fixation process. So I'm reapplying the lash glue and laminating my lashes again. I'm convinced now that this lash glue is very weak. This may be good for some though, because it's gonna give you time to straighten your eyelashes properly. But for my eyelashes, this was a lot of work. Finally, I placed all my eyelashes where I want them. It's time for the fixation lotion. I take my blue applicator and with the pick, I scoop out a generous amount of lotion. This lotion is applied from the roots to the tip of my eyelashes, and I leave this in for 10 minutes. I take a doe foot and remove any fixation lotion from my eyelashes and shield. Then I use the cleanser to clean my eye area and rinse. When you have your lash lift done, it's recommended that you wait at least 24 hours before you get your lashes wet. This may be true in a salon setting since the stylist does a thorough job of cleansing the lashes for you. However, at home, I recommend to cleanse and rinse your eyelashes so that it's free from any chemical residue. As long as they're not exposed to heat or steam within the first 24 hours, it shouldn't affect your results. And finally, apply some nutrition with my mascara brush, and my DIY lash lift is complete. This was fun trying to do a lash lift at home, but honestly, I would go to the salon to have it done for me by a professional to save on my time and relax during the process. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you have any questions or comments, please let me know because I always love to hear from you. Until next time, bye!